What's up, guys? It's your girl Jay, and I'm coming to you with a tutorial video showing you guys how to edit your YouTube videos. Okay, the first thing you're gonna need is this Video Leap app, and just to let you guys know, it is not available for PCs or MacBooks. It's just only available for mobile devices, both Android and Apple devices. You can download this app on both devices, tablets and Mac and iPads. I do not know yet. I haven't tried, but I'm pretty sure you can. Okay. So with that being said, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the Video Leap app. And the first thing that's going to show when it opens is this square with the plus sign. All right, so this square with the plus signs is basically, that's how you add your media, pictures, videos, whatever the case. This is how you add it. So first thing we're going to do is going to add my video. And just to let you guys know, I already pre-made this video just specifically for this tutorial, so it's not a random video. But one of the first things I like to do after I add my video is I automatically add my intro. So I add my intro and then I kind of let it play to see how it looks.
Everything I want, I have. Everything I want, I have.
All right, guys, thank you. Okay, so after I see that it's working good, you can edit clips. You can shorten them or you can make them longer by basically moving them closer, moving them left or right. That's how you can edit. That's kind of how you clip a video to make it shorter, or you also can pull it back out. And another thing you can do is just to let you guys know that whenever you kind of make a mistake, make sure I add it. You can push this little back arrow right here. It's right above where you see where it says filter at the bottom. Is a back arrow. That's how you undo what you've done. Like you can undo everything, and you can put it right back how it was. Okay. So just wanted to let you guys know these are like basics when you're trying to edit. So whenever let's say if you're trying to edit a video and you accidentally do something, just backspace it. All right, so let me go back to where I was doing. My phone too small for my fingers. Okay, so check this out. So after I check it and I see that the intro is good and I see the video loaded properly, what I like to do is it's like a little tab with a line in front of it. And in the middle of it, that's your transition. This is basically what it's going to look like after it transitioned from my intro video to my regular video. So what happens is you got different types of transitions. At the bottom, you get to choose which one you want. So I like to just play around with it. All right, guys. All right. As you can see, it changes up. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, so in this video, I'm just going to use one of my favorites, which is smoke. And then what I'll do is I'll automatically go to the part where I ask people to subscribe. And how I usually know where it's at is I usually put my thumbs up, indicating people to like, hey guys, smash that thumbs up. You know, that's kind of like my indicator telling people, hey, do that. So what I do is now that I see that my thumbs is up, I know this is where I say smash that thumbs up. Okay, smash that thumbs up. Subscribe. All right, so subscribe, smash that thumbs up. All right. So then what I do after that, this is the part where I want to add my sticker that says subscribe. So pull up stickers. And by the way, this is how you get to it. Now make sure nothing is highlighted. If anything is highlighted, you could just tap under it, under the video, and it's going to unhighlight anything that you have highlighted. So then you got your basics at the bottom. Canvas, mixer, text, stickers, audio, filters, etc. All right, so what you're going to click on is stickers. And these are kind of like different stickers you can add to your video. In this case, we want to add the subscribe sticker. So we're going to type in subscribe. And then it has different ones. Now, some of them you have to search for. You just scroll down. You know, some of them got different languages. It's very cool. You just pick one that you like and add it. All right, so in this case, I'm going to pick my favorite one, which is this one right here. And I let it play. Hey, please smash that thumbs up. Okay, so it's relatively close. So what I do is you can drag it around. You can put it however you like, wherever you like on the screen. You also can make it big or small, whatever the case might be. Tilt it, make it straight, doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is I kind of have this specific size I do. Subscribe if you have not. Okay. Play with it a little bit. Then what I do is that I made, please smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, and turn your post notifications on so you can be a part of the Nug Gang. All right, so after I do that, all right, so just to let you guys know, these stickers do not come with sound. You have to add the sound to it. Okay, now you don't have to, but I like to add sounds because usually when people hear it, it's like it triggers people to be like, okay, let me go click it, or let me subscribe, or let me turn my post notifications on, you know. So what I do is I'll scroll to where the mouse is directly over the thumbs up, and then I'll go back, type in audio this time. And the audio is basically where you can do like voiceover, sound effects, or music. In this case, we're going to do sound effects. So what I type in is mouse click. And then you can pick whichever one you want. Just let you guys hear it. This is my favorite one I like to use. The second one. So you can hear it. Subscribe. And then just like literally right as it go over the different, like right as it go over the the like button or the subscribe button or the post notification button, pause it right there and then go back to the audio. And the good thing about it, you know, this app, you don't have to necessarily retype the mouse click. It's going to start you, it's going to leave you, it's going to basically start back where you left off. So instead of having to re-click, mouse click, etc., it's going to be right there. So all you got to do is click it again. If you have not. And then for this one, for the post notification, it's a bell. So you have to type in bell. And then you kind of listen which one you want. That's my favorite one, so I'm going to use that one. Now, guys, you can get creative with it. You don't necessarily got to use the same one I use, but this is the one I like to use, okay? And turn your post. All right, so I'm going to let you guys take a look at how it sounds. Please smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, and turn your post notifications on so you can be a part of the Nug Gang. With that being said, guys, I'll catch you on the next. Now, for the good part, where I like to add my music. No, before we get to the music, there's one other thing that a lot of guys been asking me. How do I put the subscribe sticker at the bottom right of my video? So we keep it on subscribe, okay? So what I do is I scroll all the way down. And you can use any of these, guys. You can use any of them. You don't have to just use the one I use. You can get like I said, get creative with it. I'm just looking for the one that I use. All right, so I don't, for a time purpose, I'm gonna just pick a random. So this is what I do. I'll make it small and I put it at the bottom right. And then what I do is I drag it all the way to the end of the video. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, guys, thank you. All right, guys, thank you for watching. All right, so you can see it. Now, the last but not least, for those of you who want to start adding music to your background, this is where you go. These are, by the way, these are not songs. You won't get copyrighted for it, so you can add any of these to your video. They got inspirational, they got hip hop, they got whatever. Just search whatever you're looking for, and then hey, it's there. So I'm just gonna pick which one of the ones I use. So guys, yeah, just get real creative with it. And all right, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so just let you guys know, whenever you add the music, it's going to be louder than your actual video. So as you can see, look. All right, guys, thank you for watching my. All right, so once you have, like, you highlight the media, the music, it's gonna be highlighted, and you can tell it's highlighted because it's in white. So what you can do is you edit the sound by going to the bottom left where it says volume. You turn it down. I usually turn it down to like around 12, 10, 9. It's loud enough whenever you do it that way, so you don't have to worry about it being too low as well. All right, guys, thank you for watching my tutorial video teaching you guys how to edit. So it's just however you like it. And if you want to, you could scroll all the way down and kind of crop the media so it won't be too long. You kind of want it to end with the video. Okay, so all right, so we got the media. Okay, I'm just going through it, making sure everything is good, and then I think that's it. All right, so now we're gonna take a look at the finished product. Alright guys, thank you for watching my tutorial video teaching you guys how to edit your videos. If you're loving the video that I made, please smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, and turn your post notifications on so you can be a part of the Nug Gang. With that being said, guys, I'll catch you on the next tutorial. Much love.